Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Gemini for crypto accounts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start registering with Gemini, visit the official Gemini website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your account and confirm it. Once you have filled in your email and password, click Create Account. You will receive an email from Gemini to verify your email. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, return to the Gemini site to continue the registration. Now, you'll need to provide your phone number for two-factor authentication. Enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your messages for the verification code and input it on the website. Once verified, you will be asked to fill in your personal information. Provide your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Select your country of citizenship from the drop-down menu. Next, upload a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process. This may take a few minutes while Gemini reviews your documents. After approval, you can set up your payment method. Choose between bank transfers or credit/debit cards. Enter the required payment information and confirm it. Now, you're ready to fund your account and start trading. Follow the instructions to add funds to your Gemini account. Once funded, explore the platform and enjoy your cryptocurrency trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.